what Unified Toolkit is bringing to the table is, number one, we're building it for ourselves. We're building a theme, a block theme. We're building plugins so that on that side of things, we're going to use it to build custom themes and use those tools and those plugins for our projects in-house, whether it's direct clients or agencies. But then our agencies could use those things. But then we might as well sell those things too, right? So we're kind of building it for ourselves first. And then over time, we'll hopefully help other agencies that we don't even partner with, but they may want to use our tools. And then we're going to give them other resources, other things to help them sell, and courses. I'm going to create some courses. All the courses we'll create, but things to get them started and learn how to use the tools that we're giving them. And so, like I said, it just seemed like a win-win-win-win-win for everything. I'm excited to bring it to the public and bring it to my clients and bring it to the market. I think it fits. It's a situation where I think it's going to be unique in that it's something that we built for ourselves, and that's kind of how I'm going to market it, right? We built this thing, we're going to let you use it as well. And even if we're not your partners, we're going to give you tools and things that we use to be successful. And that's kind of our goal as an agency. It's kind of our mission, right? It's to help people succeed in a variety of ways with their websites and by helping their clients. And it's kind of this trickle down effect. We can help other people succeed, like this whole thing. That's how I think of things. And obviously then I can also, hopefully we create new revenue streams and stuff. We'll get into that too, but there's a lot of reasons to do it. And I think it's a good foundation.